Hello everyone, my name is Martin Leupold. I am Product Manager for Flow Sensors. In this tutorial, I would like to explain the effects of FlexFlow sensor installation. There are several installation options for the FlexFlow sensors for the optimum position of the sensor tip inside the pipe, which ones I will explain on the background chart. The FlexFlow flow installation position has an effect on the measured results. The blue lines here is the pipe wall. Numbers 1 to 4 symbolize installation positions. In position 1, the sensor would measure zero flow since the tip is close to the pipe wall. Position 2 will return average flow. Position 3, with the sensor tip centered in the pipe, will deliver maximum flow. Position 4 and 1 are the same, meaning zero flow is measured. For this reason, installation positions 1 and 4 should be avoided. Now, I am explaining the two types of flow dynamics. Let's start with laminar flow. It resembles a parabolic curve. Reynolds number is less than 2300. The maximum flow is measured here in the center. Reason why the installation position is important. As you see, zero flow is measured in position 1. Average flow in position 2. Here in the center at position 3, the sensor detects the maximum flow. As I already said, installation positions 1 and 4 are the same, which means zero flow measured at the sensor tip. Turbulent flow is completely different. As you see, the turbulent flow profile is the same throughout the pipe. Reynolds number is higher than 2300. Therefore, the same flow dynamics is present in any position from 1 to 4, which will return the same measured results. Turbulent flow is applied in pipe cleaning, for example, in a CIP process.
Bei unserem Modell, ich kann hier mal die Strömung hier einschalten, sehen Sie hier einmal die laminare Strömung. Die Moleküle oder die Teilchen, wo hier drin sind, verhalten sich
Here you see laminar flow. The little spheres inside the pipe are all in the same flow. Consequently, different installation positions will provide different measured results. In this position, the sensor measures average flow. Here, the sensor tip is close to the pipe wall, meaning zero flow. Neither in this position. And finally, maximum flow measured in the center. With speed increased up to the maximum, you can see flow dynamics changing from laminar to turbulent.
Maximale Geschwindigkeit des Modells hier. Dann sehen Sie, dass die Strömung nicht mehr
The spheres are no longer in the same flow but start swirling.
im Rohr. Damit haben wir turbulente Strömung.
Now the sensor installation position is no longer relevant.
Sie messen sowohl hier
The sensor will return the same flow information in each position from 1 to 4. Nevertheless, some residual effect may remain if the sensor tip is too close to the pipe wall. Whether laminar or turbulent flow, best results are obtained with installation positions for average and maximum flow. That's it for the moment about the effects of flow sensor installation. Thank you for watching. Bye, and until next time.